And yep, guys, one more profitable trade. Well, guys, okay, my friends. Guys, use my personal promo code CASH50 and get additional 50% to your initial deposits of at least $150. Just imagine you can invest $1,000 and get $1,500 above your deposit. Do this right now and let's fuck this market. Guys, welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Michael and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, my dear friends, I would like to tell you how to make millions on this market, and if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. Okay, my friends, so today, as always, I would like to use several indicators. First of all, let's set the chart and choose indicators. The first one will be alligator. Now I'm setting it. First of all, we're doing that shit, and now the second one is stochastic oscillator. I'm setting it right now. Just give me some seconds. Done, I guess. Okay, fine. So we are ready to start. We have alligator and stochastic for today. Our time period is just 1 minute and our initial deposit is just $70, and we have opened the first trade already. So you can clearly see that we are in the upgoing channel. We have a very good and strong upgoing movement, and in continuation of it, we have opened buy position. Add some trend lines so that I can show you the edges. I'm going to show you the edges of the upgoing channel, and you can now clearly see the trend line. Price will highly likely now touch this trend line, and only after this we will receive the pullback correction. Only after this we will see the downgoing correction. And yep, guys, it's done. We have around $135 on the account. So, well, the next trade, we are trading USD real currency pair. Let's check the chart and see what do we have. According to the alligator indicator, we are in the buy zone and we have a very good and strong upgoing movement. We have changed our investment to $135 and we have invested them in this trade. I guess we will receive a very good and strong upgoing movement, and we will thrive on this trade anyway, and we will get our cash from it. However, according to the stochastic, the price is extremely oversold. Overbought. The price is extremely overbought, and this significates that soon we will highly likely receive at least downgoing correction. However, still we have some capacity for the growth according to the alligator. At least a small growth will be enough for us to be in profit. One more profitable trade and $248 on our account. Well, let's check USD Mexican. Well, what do we have here? According to the alligator, we are in the downgoing channel. Now I'm changing my investment to $248. I have opened sell position in the continuation of this downgoing channel. As you can clearly see, we have shown short-term upgoing correction, which has already turned into continuation of the downgoing movement, and that's why we have opened sell position at a very good entry point. So now let's just relax, be calm, and wait until we will get our money from this trade. By the way, guys, while you are watching this, don't forget to open the description to this video and to use the link in it in order to subscribe to my private TG, in which you will get access to my trading signals, daily educational materials, and strategies that will help you to become a professional trader. Moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each fucking day and get your cash daily. So this is absolutely free. All you need right now is just to open description, subscribe to my TG, and write me a message. Do this and be with me. Okay, guys, the previous trade was profitable one. Now we have opened one more buy position. We are trading USD EGP currency pair. According to the alligator, we are in the buy zone. According to the stochastic, we are overbought. However, we still have some capacity for the small growth, and this will be enough for us to be in profit. So that's it. Well, guys, one more profitable trade. We have it. Now let's change our investment to $867. And the open buy position here. According to the alligator, we are in the buy zone. According to the stochastic, we still have some capacity for the growth also. So like in the previous trade, nothing new, everything is going quite fine. Okay, my friends, one more profitable trade. We have around $1,630 on the account. So you remember we started with just $70 and we have already turned them into $1,630. Well, my friends, here I would say that we will highly likely continue growing because we are in the upgoing channel. According to the stochastic, we have lots of capacity, lots of space for good growth because price was extremely oversold and now it's reversing for upgoing movement. And that's why we have opened the buy position, investing our whole deposit, and I mean by this words $1,630 I invested in this trade, and of course I'm absolutely sure that we will get money from this trade. It will be done anyway guys. We have a very good signal from the stochastic right now, a very good signal. Well guys, it's done, just look at this. We have around $2,400 in the account for tonight's trading session. We have turned our $70 into $2,400. If you want to do the same kind of results, subscribe to my private TG right now. Link for it you can find in the description to this video. Do this and be fucking trader millionaire just like me, like Michael Trader. Be the best version of yourself. I wish you a wonderful, happy and successful day. Bye bye.